Every time you say, that's just how I am, you lock the door on your own growth. I'm bad with tech. I'm not a business person. I can't stay consistent. Try this instead. Add one word, yet. I'm not good at marketing yet. That tiny word keeps the door open for learning, experimenting, and improving. The growth mindset kit dives deeper into shifting and fixing thinking so I can learn this so you actually move instead of staying stuck. Stop labeling yourself and start growing. Get the growth mindset kit and rewrite your story.